941 Performance.
Alright, we're back with this Jetta, and we're gonna tackle the sunroof drains. So we gotta remove the cowling, wiper arms. Let's jump into that. Seal. Now you don't necessarily have to remove the wiper arms, but it just makes life easier. Pop these little caps off. Don't lose them. Like I almost did with that one. They're probably a 13. $13mm. Make sure you know which one is which when you take them off. They are different. Driver side and passenger side, or right and left. Alright. Let's see if I can do this without a tool. So basically you're just going to push down on it. Get it free. Sometimes you have to fight with them. So let's get that. Now we're going. Give it a wiggle. And off she comes. I am going to paint these because I do plan on keeping this car. Well, at least keep it for a while, and then this should just pop right off. Like so. Then the fun part begins. So that right there is a sunroof drain. straight back there. Right there. Right in the, right to the above right of that bolt. That's what we gotta cut. That's what we gotta cut to clear that out. Because you can see it's all clogged full of shit. Let's give that a whirl and see what happens. Same thing on the other side, but we gotta move a piece of plastic on the other side. So, all right. Should have seen all that water come out of there. That was all clogged up in that drain. You could see all this shit down there. So, you see how it's cut straight now. Boom, just a little snippy snip of the end. Let me see if I can dig that end out of there for you guys. Good thing I got gloves on because it's nasty. It's nasty in there, but I don't see it. Oh wait, this is it right here. Nope, that's a broken piece of plastic. Yeah, we'll see if I can save the other side. Yeah, she geysered out of there. So this plastic piece has got to be slid over. Let's get a little screwdriver in there or some shit. Try not to break it. Or crack the windshield. That would be fucking glorious. At least this windshield should be a little easier than the Corrado. Alright, so now we got that off. Should be able to slide that. Boom. Out. And there's the drain clogged up. So let me see if I can get you in there. See if any water comes out. There's a little bit. Oh yeah. Look at her go. So there you go. That's what happens. That just gets full of crud. So yeah, I'm gonna put this all back together now. Put the wiper arms back on. Yeah. Yeah, look at inside that. That's all disgusting. So let me put all that back together, do one thing at a time here, and then we gotta pull fender liner for the rear drains, and we gotta clean those too. There's also another way to do it up in here in the headliner, but when the headliner comes down, I'll show you that. There's two different ways to fix these drains. So this is the main way. Now we won't ever have this problem again, especially since the car won't be sitting. You can see it's all wet in there and that right there. So yeah, we'll see you on the rear drains.